Let's quickly cancel that Walmart order before it arrives and you're swimming in supplies. First, open your Walmart app and tap on the account icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of your screen. This takes you to your account dashboard now. Find and select order history. This is where all your past and current orders are listed. Scroll through the list to find the specific order you want to cancel. Once you've found it, tap on the order to view its details. On the order details page, look for the cancel order button. Keep in mind that this option is only available if your order hasn't already been shipped or prepared for delivery. And if you do not see the button, it's likely too late to cancel online. If the cancel order button is there, tap on it. You'll then be prompted to confirm your cancellation. Review the cancellation details and then tap confirm cancellation. You should then see a confirmation message indicating that your order has been successfully canceled. You might also receive a confirmation email. Returning to your order history, you'll now see the order marked as canceled. And that's it, you're done. Hopefully, this helps you avoid any future toilet paper avalanche.